Do labor laws apply to small businesses? Short answer, you bet they do. Whether you have 1 or 100 employees, your business must comply with a number of federal and state laws. For example, just with payroll alone, you have to comply with regulations involving federal and state income taxes, Social Security and Medicare, federal unemployment tax, workers' compensation, and in some cases, state disability insurance. These are just the tip of the iceberg in terms of requirements you have to follow as an employer. In fact, last year we saw many new and amended laws involving pay equity, wage and hour, such as minimum wage, overtime, and tips, employee leave benefits, anti-discrimination protections, and immigration. If all of this seems overwhelming, a payroll service provider like Paychex can help you stay on track with compliance.
For more information on this topic, check out the rest of this AnswerCast series on YouTube. And for much deeper insight, click the link below to watch our free companion webinar.